Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me one more time. And today I am going to do a rare unboxing video. Rare because I don't usually do unboxing videos. So today we're actually going to have two for the price of one unboxing videos. What are we going to be unboxing today? Well, a little while ago I discovered that I can put a 762x39 upper assembly onto my AR-15 5.56 223 lower receiver. Anyway, so I have ordered an upper receiver, a complete upper top, as you would say, to put on my AR-15, and this one is chambered in 762x39. And always wanted to have that, and it'll come in handy with the price of ammunition nowadays. You know, steel cased Russian ammo is a little bit cheaper to shoot. All right, let's go forward and unbox the first one. And since I was carrying this today in my pocket, wanted to show you something that's a little interesting. This is a hogbill, or let's say pruner's knife. And what makes this one interesting is it's made in Switzerland by Victorinox. Yes, this is a Swiss Army knife. If you've never seen one without the legendary cross and the plastic wrap cover, here you go. This is an older model. Gardener's knife, pruner's, hogbill, whatever you want to call it. It's in pretty good shape. And it's made by Victorinox in Switzerland. All right. So let me situate the camera a little bit better and we will get to the opening. Okay, here we go. Whew, the snap on that one. Oh, we got a little more to cut over here. Well, I must say it is very, very nicely packed. There's a little bit of foam on top and bottom, which is really nice. They are environmentally conscious. They're cutting down their packing to the minimal. And as you can see, they just put a little bit of a styrofoam on the end and on the front. And that's about it. So let me get rid of this box. Yes, as you can tell, this is a side charging handle, 16-inch. It's got a flash hider. And yeah, we'll see how this thing does, but from what I've seen online, Bear Creek Arsenal really does a good job with their uppers. So it has a side charging handle, which is the reason I got this is just to try something new. And I'm used to side charging by my right hand. I'm a right-handed shooter, and this is only natural to me, holding the front end with my left hand, leaning the rifle against my shoulder, bracing it, and using my right hand to rack it. So when we disassemble it, it should be reasonably simple. This part right here unscrews, unscrew the handle, and pull the bolt carrier group right out as any other AR. Yeah, the only thing different here, as you can see, is it doesn't have the charging handle where we're used to it. So let's see. I'm gonna put it on my AR right now, and we'll see how it looks. Let me show you what my AR looks at this point like. This is a California legal Juggernaut Tactical AR-15. Model is JTE-15. It's got the wonderful, I modified it a little bit, but yeah, it's got a wonderful way to crack the action and get rid of the bolt. It's a pain in the ass. When I'm going to put this top over here, I'm going to replace this Hellfighter pin with a regular takedown pin I'm sick of this thing. And listen, if I have to crack it, I have to crack it. If I have to break the action, so I'll just pull the whole pin out and break the action. It doesn't. I don't need to just pop it. This thing is a pain in the ass. I mean, the Hellfighter kit is a pain in the ass. It really is. I don't want to go into it in this video. Anyway, so if you guys didn't see any of my previous videos, this is a full-featured California rifle. It's got an adjustable stock. It's got an A2 flash hider, pistol grip, and as comes with the territory, it's got a mag lock and it's got the Hellfighter kit, the Hellfighter pin. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove this entire part and simply install this part. Now, it's super simple to do on an AR, and that is one of the reasons that I decided to venture into this little modification. Even I can do it. So what we do is, as in any other AR, we pop the pivot pin, pop the takedown pin, and replace the tops. Bam! Apart. So this is my 5.56 223 upper, and just pop these two pins in, and now I have an AK-47 upper. I always wanted to have 7.62 by 39 rifle. So now we will take it out to the desert. We're going to take it out and see how it does. I'm excited. I'm excited, and I feel a little bit like a communist. But hey, listen, you know, it is what it is. The job quality seems to be okay. Seems to be parkerized, and I'm sure I'm going to scratch it really nicely. I didn't take a look at the gas block or anything like that. I'm just going to take my chances. I'm going to go. I'm going to take it apart really fast, lube up the BCA, and just make sure that there are no serious burrs or anything on the ramps, and just take a look at it. Take a look at it. So I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to take a look at it. Then we're going to put a red dot on it and take it to the desert. But I'm going to show you the red dot that I got. This is going to be the second part of our unboxing, and this is the same red dot as this, and I am absolutely excited about it. It is really, really a steal for the money. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, this is Agukexsa, Agukexsa, a red dot sight. I will tell you why I was so impressed with this, that not only did I get one, I got a second one, and I'm actually thinking about buying a third one. That's how good it is. Let me show you exactly why I think it is an amazing, it's an amazing red dot. All right. I think it's 2 MOA, so they pack it really nicely. Has a nice user manual, which you probably won't need. A little cloth to clean the thing, a little bit of silica gel to keep the moisture from accumulating. It's got an extra battery, or it's got one battery, to tell you the truth. I think it's only one battery. And it does come with 2 mounts. Have a low profile mount, and we have the high-rise mount in case you want to co-witness, or in my case, I would like to use it with a small scope, and with this red dot, if it ever goes bad, if the battery ever dies, which I'm going to cover in a second, you can use your iron sights. So, okay, so that's pretty much it. It does come with a little Allen wrench, and we're going to move this stuff out of the way for right now. Another plus, it comes with a cover. And let's, very easy to open up this battery compartment. We're going to install the battery as I'm cluing you guys in why I love this thing. All right. And I have to tell you, everything on this little piece of electronic, this feels really nice. The threads feel nice. It has nice weight to it. Nothing is loose. And when I use red dots, I have a major problem. I forget to turn them off. So the way this one works, and let me just test it and make sure that it does work. Oh, there it is. It works. Okay. My first red dot from them was almost just completely zeroed in once I put it on my rifle. So I'll have to zero it in when I take it out to the range. So this thing is shockproof, waterproof, up to I think a meter or 3 meters. It's fog proof. It has a 50,000 hour battery life. Okay, and I told you, I just told you, I leave these things on and I go through these tiny batteries. I have no idea how much money I've spent on batteries. I have a terrible habit. All right, so that's who I am. Anyway, well, if you forget to turn this one off, it'll turn off after an hour of inactivity. And next time you pick it up, the motion sensor will get activated and the red dot will be on. So if you are in a situation where you need the red dot to be on, don't want to bother with turning it on, this is it. This is an awesome, awesome red dot. It's very easily adjustable. It has like 10 or 12 different settings of brightness, 2 night settings and 10, I think, regular settings. And again, I love it. Super simple to put on. You guys all know how to put on a red dot, but since we're all here, let us do that. So let's see, where would I put it on this rifle? Well, let's just put it right above the charging handle. Why not? That sounds right about right. Pretty simple, you know. Loosen it up. Let's see. I don't think it's actually an Allen wrench. It's one of those weird little hex keys, I think. Anyway, so you loosen it up. Make sure oh yeah, and the lenses are also coated, so I forgot to mention that. So it's compatible with the higher end models. Wait until I tell you how much I got this one for. You know, Amazon has these for $80. I think it's like $79.99. But they offer a 30% coupon, which makes it, I think, around $55, $56. But if you go on eBay, like I did, you can pick one up for $35 plus tax. So this one I paid $45 for off Amazon when they were having a special, and this one I picked up on eBay for $38 and some change delivered. Okay, so where were we? So we loosen it up and we put it on and we tighten it up. You know, if you guys are inclined to put a little bit of blue Loctite on it, that's probably a really good idea. But make sure you are okay with the spot you put it in. So I'm just going to try it out in this position right here. There it is. We're ready to go to the range. I hope you guys subscribe so you don't miss me missing the targets at the range and bitching and moaning and complaining about this AK-47 upper, like I like to call it. I'm just kidding. It's an AR upper. It's just chambered in 7.62 by 39. But I'm so excited. Guys, I hope you join me. Make sure to thumb and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss me fucking around in the desert. Thank you. Bye.